Shalom everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. I have a few important announcements, so please pay attention to this short video. First of all, today is the 17th day of Tamuz, the fast of Yud Zayin B'Tamuz. In a few hours at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time, I'm going to give a live lecture about the fast, about the day, about what needs to be done. So you can either log into my YouTube and catch this lecture live. And the reason why you want to do it live is to make sure that you're hearing the information on the actual day of the fast. If you cannot make it live, then of course you'll find the video later on posted on YouTube. And even if you missed it live, I will still highly recommend to watch it after the live streaming, because it's not only about the day of the 17th of Tamuz, also about the next 3 coming weeks. A very important and powerful lecture. You'll find it live either on my YouTube, or you can go to atzmut.com/tour and you'll find information over there. Which brings me to the next important announcement, that I'm, Baruch Hashem, I already arrived here in the United States. And today will be the first lecture of my tour here in New Jersey. Tomorrow starts the rest of the tour. I'm starting in lectures in New York, and then next week it will go to Philadelphia and Detroit, Denver, Vegas, back to New York, and much more. So what I would recommend is to go to atzmut.org/tour, where you'll find all the information you need to know about the tour, all the coming lectures, everything that you need to know. It's very, very simple. There's a video on that page that explains what needs to be done. But basically, you'll have a list there of all the coming lectures. When you click on the name of the venue or the shul, then it opens a page with all the information you need to know: the flyer, the map, how to get there, all the information. So go to atzmut.org/tour. You have all the information and links under this video. And you can find all the information about all the locations, cities, so you can see if there's a lecture near you. And all the information about each and every lecture. And please, if you can, not only visit the page, but also take these flyers and share them with your friends on your social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, wherever you are. So again, atzmut.org/tour, and all the information is over there. And please share this information with all your friends, loved ones, because they might be in a city that I'm coming and would want to be in a live lecture. What's important right now is to make sure that you are joining us live on the lecture in a few hours. Find the details in the links underneath this video, atzmut.org/tour. And every day of each lecture is selected in separately. But you want to join that lecture live if you can. If not, then definitely log after that to my YouTube and watch the recording. Very important, very powerful, and you don't want to miss it out. And of course, for the rest of the tour, all the information is there. So please share this information, and I will record much more videos now when I'm here on the tour, announcing all the events and locations. But don't miss out. Many people in the last time said, "Oh, I didn't see any ads." Go to atzmut.org/tour. You'll find all the information, all the locations. Any questions you have, you can contact us right away, either through WhatsApp or email. But I hope to see you in all the cities that I'm coming. In the meantime, share the video. Hope to see you live on the call tonight. If there will be time, I'll do some Q&A. And if not, then we'll just enjoy the great lecture. In the meantime, I hope to see you there. Share the video. Until the next time, have an easy fast, meaningful fast. And Bezrat Hashem, join me on the next few weeks on this coming tour to America. You're going to enjoy amazing, amazing lectures.